What if I told you we could create something that looks and sounds a little bit like Cocomelon using nothing but artificial intelligence? Yeah, you heard that right. The channel with billions of views, the song stuck in everyone's head. We're going to see if AI can capture a tiny piece of that magic. Get ready for a wild experiment because we're diving into the world of AI to try and create our own Cocomelon inspired video. Could artificial intelligence really generate catchy kids, songs, and colorful animations? We're about to find out. We're kicking things off with DeepSeek AI to brainstorm some fun song ideas for our very own Cocomelon-inspired video. Let's jump right in. I'm going to use the prompt, generate 20 fun-filled ideas for an animated children's song video. Just like that, DeepSeek AI has given us 20 awesome concepts. You can always ask for even more if you want to explore a wider range of titles and ideas. Let's see. I think I've found the perfect idea for our next video. Are you excited yet? I've chosen number 1 from this list of fantastic ideas. Now, let's get DeepSeek AI to write some catchy lyrics for it. I'll use the prompt, generate fun lyrics for the song, and boom. Within seconds, DeepSeek AI has produced the entire lyrics. We've got 5 whole verses ready to go. Next up, we need to visualize these lyrics. I'm going to use the prompt. Describe the scene for each verse of the song for a 3D animated video prompt. Fantastic. Now we have text prompts that we can use to generate our 3D video clips. Let's move to the next step. Now that we have our lyrics, it's time to head over to Suno AI, a fantastic tool that transforms text into fully produced songs. If you haven't already registered, you'll need to sign up first, just the usual email and password routine. Once you're in, you'll see that Suno AI offers different music styles and gives you 50 free credits per day, which is more than enough for our musical experiment. To start, click Create at the top left corner. A new page will pop up with a customization panel. Here's an important step. Uncheck the instrumental option unless you're planning a karaoke version. Next, we're going to grab those lyrics that DeepSeek AI generated and paste them into the text box in Suno AI. Now, we need to select a music style. Instead of just guessing, let's be smart about it. I'm going to ask DeepSeek AI, what style of music is this children's song? DeepSeek AI says the style is upbeat and playful children's music. Let's copy that answer and head back to Suno AI. We'll paste that into the style section. If you want to keep it super simple, you could also just type children's song here, since that's exactly what it is. Now, for the magic, click Create, and in just a few moments, Suno AI will generate 2 versions of our song. Let's have a listen.
Meet Pete the penguin, wobbly and sweet. Flap your little flippers and stomp your feet. Slide to the left, slide to the right, spin in a circle. Oh, what a sight!
Wow, Suno AI really brought our lyrics to life. We've got 2 distinct versions to choose from. Just select one and let's move on to the next step. Now for the exciting part, turning our scene descriptions into actual animation. We're using Wont.video, a fantastic and free AI tool that lets you generate videos and animations from just text or even a single image. Whether you're animating a 2D photo or turning a simple prompt into cinematic motion, this platform offers text to video, image to video, and even text to image, all for free. First things first, head over to the site, Wont.video. If you haven't already, sign up or log in. And yes, they even give you free credits just for logging in. Once you're in, click on AI video. Now, remember those scene prompts DeepSeek AI created for each verse? We're going to paste the first one into the prompt box here. Next, choose your desired aspect ratio. For YouTube, 16:9 is usually a good bet. Then, simply hit generate and wait for Wont.video to work its magic. Once it's done, you can preview and then download your video clip. And the last step for the visuals is to repeat this process for all the scene prompts we generated with DeepSeek AI. This will give us all the clips we need to bring our Cocomelon inspired song to life. Alright, our song and all the video clips are ready. Now, let's jump into CapCut, our free and powerful video editing software, to assemble everything and add that final touch of Cocomelon magic. To start, I'll upload all the video files we generated from Wont.video, along with the fantastic song we created in Suno AI, into a new CapCut project. Once they're imported, I'll drag the song onto the timeline. This will be the backbone of our edit, ensuring all the visuals align perfectly with the music and the rhythm of the lyrics. From here, it's all about structuring the visuals to tell our story in time with the song. I'll be dragging each video clip onto the timeline, carefully cutting and arranging them to match the corresponding verses and actions in our song. To make it visually engaging for the little ones, I'll add some smooth transitions between the clips and maybe include a few simple, bright effects to keep their attention. A crucial element of Cocomelon is the on-screen lyrics. So next, I'll add text layers for each line of the song, making sure they appear at the exact moment they're sung. Finally, before we call it a masterpiece, I'll do a thorough check, scrubbing through the entire timeline to catch any mistakes in timing, alignment, or flow. And with that, let's see our video.
Meet Pete the penguin, wobbly and sweet. Flap your little flippers and stomp your feet. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Spin in a circle, oh what a sight. It's the silly animal dance party. Move your body, get up and start it. Wobble, roar, stomp and swing. Everybody do your thing. Here comes Leo the lion with a mighty roar. Shake your mane and pounce on the floor. Reach up high, then touch your toes. Now shake it out and strike a pose. It's the silly animal dance party. Move your body, get up and start it. Wobble, roar, stomp and swing. Everybody do your thing.
And there you have it, our very own Cocomelon inspired video, created entirely with the power of free AI tools. It's not exactly Cocomelon, but it's pretty amazing what we could achieve with AI. Think of the potential for creating fun, educational content quickly and easily. This isn't about replacing the amazing creators out there, but about exploring the incredible possibilities that AI offers. So what do you think? Could AI revolutionize the way kids' content is made? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're excited by the possibilities of creating your own amazing 3D AI, make sure to check out my next tutorial. The link is on the screen right now. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next one. Bye for now.